Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show you how you can create running total by using DAX in Power BI. So as you can see on the screen that I have created a table visual, and here as you can see we have year and we have month, and I have created a total revenue measure, and I have created the revenue YTD. And if you look over here, so it is using the context transition, and you can see the values for particularly year 2020 January value, and this is for February value, and this is for March. And if you look over here, then this is the year to date cumulative value. So if you come to the next row, you can see that this is the sum of the two previous values. And if you come to the third row, then you can see this is the sum of these three values. And when you come to, let's say, 2021, you can see that the number has started again for 2021. So this is basically year to date value. That means it will start from January, and it will do the cumulative sum till December. And if you come to the 2021, you can see that it has started from the very beginning of January 2021. But I don't want that. What I want that when I come to January 2021, there will be a value which will sum this value plus this value. That means uh, it will not stop to the year 2020 December. It will running till the very end. So in this video, we are going to tackle this problem. So I have created an Excel file, and if you look over here, this is very similar to this Power BI file. And in Excel, it is pretty much easy to create something like this. If I just write here year, then here month, and let's say I have write down sales, and here sales running total, and let me format it a little bit. Now what I want to do, I want to create the running total. So in this case, I will take the first value as it is, but for the second row, what I will do, I will select this row, then plus this value, then it will give me the summation of these two values. And if I just double click, then you can see we will get the running total, which is 1208. And if I do the summation, then you can see this value is similar to this value. So this is representing the running total. And if you if you want to know what is happening, then you can just double click and see that it is a summation of these two values. So this is the cumulative till April, from January till April. And when we come to May, then it is taking this value, then the summation of this value. So here we can compute easily in Excel, but in Power BI, it is completely different, because this is not just like Excel. Because in Power BI, there are some basic fundamentals which is known as row context, context transition, and filter context. So we have to take care of this in order to calculate the running total. So in this video, I'm going to create the DAX measure so that you can see how we can calculate the running total. So now I have created a running total table, as you can see, and here I have created the revenue YTD on this measure, and now I am going to create the running total. So here I am just writing revenue running total. Here I will create a variable which will be the max date of the calendar lookup table, and I will take this field. So it will take the maximum value visible, maximum date visible in the current filter context. So when you are in the January, then it will take the maximum date of January 2020. So it will take 31st January of 2020, and it will compute the revenue will be computed um, from January 1st till 31st January. And when you come to February, then it will take the maximum date of February, which is in 2020 is 29th February. So it will take the summation of revenue from January 1st till 29th February. So we have to change the filter context, and here we will use the context transition. So now I am going to show you that how we can create the context transition. So for context transition, let me name this as the running total. So for context transition, I will use the calculate function because only calculate has the ability to change the filter context. And here I will use the total revenue, which I have created earlier by using simple logic, sumx, and some other functions. And now what I will do, I will remove all the filter from the date. So here you can see I am using the all function. So it will remove all the filter context, and it will take the date from the very beginning till the end, which is visible in the calendar lookup date column. And now what I am going to do, I will take the calendar lookup date, and I will create this logic. So this will be less than or equal to max date. So here, if you see that we have taken this max date. So whenever, let's say when we come to 2020 June, so the max date will be 30th June of 2020. And because of this all function, this will return us. Let me first close it this, and let me use the return statement. Then let me use the running total variable, which we have just created. And if I just explain it to you that what is happening here, then I must say that when you come to the 30th June, then what will happen? What will happen that the max date will be 30th June. Let me write it over here, 30th June, right? And this all function will give us the value from 1st January till 30th June of 2022. But because of this logic of max date, that we will take all the date, but we will take those dates which are less than or equal to the max date. So it will compute, it will give us the date from January 1st till 30th June. And based on this date, the total revenue will be calculated. And when we come to, let's say 2020 June, then it will give us the sum from January till June. Now, if I drag this total revenue to this visual, then you can see, let me first make it 0, the decimal places. So now you can see that if you go from January to December, then the YTD and revenue running total will be the same. But if you go to the next value, which is 2021 January, you can see that this value is added to this value, and now we will get 6,837. And this is our running total last value. So the total value is 24,915. So if you look at the total, this is the similar as this value. So yeah, this is a quick video showing you how you can create, how you can calculate the running total using DAX. And one short uh, tip that if you want to use the DAX query view, I have just used the DAX query view and I have calculated the similar thing. You can see the DAX query view code here. So I didn't create this. I have used ChatGPT for that. And here you can see I have generated the 24 random numbers for the Excel also. And if you want to really create that, how you can create something like this, then what you have to do, just here you can write that, please look at this DAX code, right? And here you can paste the running total uh, figure. Let me first, yeah. So here we have the running total, and just close that and write, I want to create something similar in DAX Query View. Just give this prompt to ChatGPT and it will give you this. So this is now very good, I guess. As you can see, it has refined a little bit. Let us copy that and paste it over here. Let us see what it will give us. I will paste it in query 1. So let's see what it will give us. So I think this is error. It is not showing us the proper value. As you can see, it is showing the same value. So I have created this and it has given me the correct result. But now it has broke down, and I don't know why it is happened in this way. So you can look at this code, and here you can see that if I come to the bottom, you can see that this value is matching with the value of our report, which is 24,915. And if you look over here, it is 24,914.59, which is basically 24,915. So yeah, please let me know your opinion on this. If you want similar videos like this, please let me know in the comments, and do subscribe. Thank you.